All right, listen up, trainees. Welcome to your ultimate crash course in a mission that is, let's be honest, incredibly high stakes, achieving total throat stealth. Today, we are unlocking the ancient secrets of silent cough control. Oh, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You're in a dead silent exam, a library, maybe a super serious play. The silence is absolute, and then it starts. That tiny little tickle, the internal alarm bells just start screaming. You are seconds away from being that person. But don't you worry. The very first rule of any good ninja is to know your adversary. Before we can defeat the cough, we first have to understand all its sneaky little forms. Okay, so we're facing four main bad guys here. First, there's the sudden spike. That's the ambush that comes out of nowhere. Then you've got the slow tick, the patient, torturous one that just builds and builds. Third is the dry scratch, which feels like you swallowed sandpaper. And finally, the big boss, the pressure throat, that deep building urge that feels totally unstoppable. Every enemy has a weakness, right? And every single cough has a cause. Figuring out what summons these little throat demons is the absolute key to preventing the battle from even starting. So, the culprits? They're usually pretty simple. You've got dry air from the AC or the heat. The stress of the silent room itself can literally trigger it. A little speck of dust, or sometimes just a generally irritated throat. These are the red flags that tell a ninja, hey, be on high alert. All right, enough talk. It's time to step into the dojo. See, mastery doesn't begin in the heat of battle. It begins with careful, deliberate preparation. So here's your pre-mission briefing. It's super simple. First, hydrate with some warm water. It really soothes your throat. Second, stay away from ice-cold drinks and snacks that are going to leave crumbs. And this one is crucial. Breathe through your nose. It's like your body's own natural humidifier. Now let's talk stance. A ninja's real power comes from their foundation. So control your breath, make it slow and deliberate. And your posture, sit up straight, don't strain your neck, and keep your jaw loose. A tense body equals a tense throat. It's that simple. With our foundation set, it is finally time to unroll the secret scrolls. These are the core techniques, the fundamental moves that are going to be the basis of your entire cough suppression martial art. Our very first move is a really powerful defensive block. It's designed to stop the enemy right at the gate. We call it the throat press. The second you feel that first little tickle, here's what you do. Press your tongue flat and hard against the roof of your mouth. Seriously, this physical pressure can actually short-circuit the cough reflex before it even gets a chance to start. Next up, a technique for when the enemy isn't a sudden attack, but more of a persistent, scratchy feeling. This one is the silent swallow. Now listen, don't just gulp. This has to be a mindful, deliberate swallow. Slowly feel the muscles engage and clear your throat. What this does is it lubricates the whole area, it calms down that irritation, and it totally resets your focus. And our third technique is all about breaking the cycle. You know, when one cough threatens to turn into a whole series, you have to regain command. And you do that with the controlled breath hole. Now, the crucial point here, you are not holding your breath until you turn blue, okay? It's just a tiny little inhale and then a 1-second pause. That's it. This really brief interruption is often all it takes to break that feedback loop of a coughing fit. You have mastered the basics, which means it's time to move into the shadows. These are the advanced maneuvers for the seasoned ninja, and they all focus on misdirection and the fine art of deception. Okay, first we have the shirt collar shield. Just lift your collar to muffle any tiny sound that might escape. Next, my personal favorite, the fake yawn. It's brilliant because it looks totally natural, but it's secretly stretching your throat muscles. And finally, the chin drop. Tucking your chin down slightly actually changes the shape of your airway and can completely reset the urge. A master of stealth always knows the terrain. You have to think ahead. Always try to position yourself near a door, a window, or something with a little ambient noise, like a fan. And you've got to avoid the danger zones, the dead center of the room or the front row, where every single sound gets amplified. But what if the enemy is just too strong? What if that cough is absolutely inevitable? Well, a true ninja knows that a strategic retreat is not a defeat. It is the ultimate move. So when all else fails, you execute the graceful exit. Don't panic. Just rise slowly and calmly like you meant to leave all along. Walk out of the room And only then, once you're outside, do you let out a soft cough into your sleeve. It shows total control, even in retreat. And with that, your training is complete. You have faced the enemy, you've mastered the secret scrolls, and you have learned the art of deception. You are now officially a cuff ninja. But remember the code. A ninja always prepares early. A ninja is totally in tune with their breathing. A ninja stays calm under pressure. And a ninja responds with swift, decisive action the very second that tickle starts. Let this be your new mantra, because this isn't just about avoiding a little noise. This is about reclaiming your confidence. It's about owning the silence instead of being afraid of it. You have the skills, you have the techniques, you have the mindset. The silence is no longer your enemy, it is your domain. Now go forth.